In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pictures to your Wix website. Adding images can greatly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your site and help communicate your message more effectively to your audience. Whether you're showcasing your portfolio, adding some personality to your blog, or simply trying to make your site more visually attractive, images play an essential role. To start, you'll want to navigate over to the Wix website platform. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now, look for the specific site you intend to update. Once you've selected it, click to edit the site, and you'll be directed straight into the Wix editor. At this point, you're ready to add images. Look towards the left side of the screen, where you'll find a panel with various options. Here, you'll see a button labeled Add. This is the magic button that will help you integrate different elements into your site. Go ahead and click on it. This action opens a menu with a variety of elements you can incorporate into your website, such as text, video, and, of course, images. Upon clicking the Add button, you'll notice an option labeled Images. Select this option, and you'll be presented with more choices. You can choose to upload images directly from your computer, select from Wix's free media library, or even connect your social media accounts to pull images from there. For this tutorial, let's assume you're uploading an image from your personal computer. Now, simply drag and drop the image file from your desktop directly onto the designated area within the Wix editor. This direct method is incredibly user-friendly, making it easy for you to visually see how your site comes together. And there you have it. Just like magic, your image now appears on your site. You can then click and drag to position it exactly where you'd like it to appear on the page. Beyond just placing the image, feel free to take some time to align and resize it according to your preferences. You can also add alt text to the image to enhance accessibility and SEO. A little tip to make your site even more effective. Remember, don't hesitate to play around with the layout to see what works best for your site. Images should be a reflection of your brand identity and style, so make sure to choose those that resonate best with your audience. Once you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to hit the Publish button. This will ensure all your hard work gets saved and your site visitors will see the newest version of your website. And there you have it, a straightforward way to make your Wix website more visually engaging and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy web designing.